right, so you and I are gonna go through here and pull out Tupperware.
We're gonna organize. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's so excited.
Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Dee, aka The Messy Perfectionist, and I'm here with my very best friend in the whole world, Becca, and her channel is Becca Does Stuff, and I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. But Becca, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and your channel?
I make videos about cleaning, organizing, and low-waste living, and some other things that add value to my life. So I just like to share that with the world in case maybe somebody else can find value in it too.
She's very good. She's very good at organizing and all that stuff, yes.
I'm kind of a nerd for organizing.
And low-waste living. Like, you've really taught me a lot of things. Like, she's really good at that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Shucks, go on.
Today we're going to be dealing with some organization in my kitchen, starting with the worst part of my kitchen, which is my Tupperware cabinet. And hopefully with Becca's expertise, she can help me get a little bit more organized instead of me like literally yelling every time I have to pull a Tupperware or a lid out of the cabinet. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started with that. Okay, stay tuned.
So I wanted to ask you, what is your process? I know this is a dumb question, but what is your process when you are using your Tupperware or food storage containers? I have to stop saying the name brand. When you're doing your food storage container stuff, like what ones do you use the most? Like
the bigger ones, I would say, and like the medium-sized ones.
Okay, do you hardly use the little tiny ones?
Yeah, because I use the little ones when I make like my own condiments a lot, but because I had VSG, I have very small portions, so I will save small amounts of food now. So I find myself using them more often now, but still not quite as much because I do cook for my family. So.
Okay, all right, cool. Start by us taking everything out and matching up lids, because if it doesn't have a lid, or if there's a lid without a bowl, there's probably not much. Yeah, and I mean, if you have a bowl that doesn't have a lid and you want to use it for something else, like you can, but it doesn't belong down here because it just confuses the whole thing, right?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Okay.
And also my intention is also, as we're going through this, is to find stuff to donate, and we'll probably take it to Goodwill or something like that. So. Okay, we'll start pulling everything out. Cool. And I don't know if I said this before or not, but there is absolutely no judgment at all when it comes to a messy food storage cabinet, because I think we all have had that problem. Tupperware is hard to keep organized when you put your dishes away.
The struggle is real, just saying, the struggle is real.
Go to Pyrex bowls that I actually have up there that I use for mixing bowls more than just storage. So maybe we should we put those lids with the Pyrex bowls?
If you use the lids with them,
sometimes.
Yeah, go for it. But there's really no right or wrong answer. It's whatever works best for you. If it makes sense for you to have these bowls up where you're gonna grab them for your mix and stuff, but you want the lids down here just in case you want to use them for storage, you can pull the lid out. You know, if you're not using the lids all that often, it's fine to keep them down here. It's whatever works best for you.
Okay.
And this is not permanent. It's not a tattoo or anything, so we can go ahead and redo it whenever, you know, if it's not working for you, just revisit it and we'll try again.
All right. I've got, well, it's my husband's deep fryer from many years ago, and I don't even think we've ever used it once in the almost 10 years we've been together now. So that's definitely gonna go. I mean, I have to ask him first. But
you've got fancy cake trays.
These are, well, this is a cake stand. This is when I make my cakes, so you can frost.
Oh my goodness.
That's
You
how
should
it is.
totally do a video of you making one of those cakes like you did for your daughter's birthday.
I want to make her another cake, and I'll see if I can put some pictures in my video of, since we're talking about it, of the Abby cake that I made her for her 2-year birthday.
man.
It was awesome.
It was amazing. Hey, Dee's channel, go ahead and leave in the comments below if you want to see her make one of those awesome Abby cakes again. It was amazing.
It was, and it was delicious too.
You're the boss.
Turkey. That's like the only thing this pancake's used for is the turkey. So this thing is like, there's the fryer. I know what this is like when I travel and go. Oh my God. I love this cup and I had no idea where it went. That's how long it's been since I've been into the corner of that
The
cabinet.
magic of decluttering.
Yes.
Oh, I remember these. These are so old.
Wow, these
that
are like
is
20 years old from when we first moved here to Arizona.
2001?
Yeah, these are like
Wow.
the very first water cups we probably purchased like in Arizona, moving from New York.
Hey, do you have your little dust buster?
Yes, it's over here.
So this is the box of stuff that she's getting rid of. It's either going to be donated or it's possible that the containers like this that don't have lids or that she just doesn't really want to use for food anymore, we could end up using for
the pantry.
Yeah, for pantry items or for tools or little kids' toys or anything like that. But this is the stuff that came out of the cabinet down there.
And it looks so much nicer now. Feels so much better.
That's actually not all of it because there's
I'm keeping that.
this and
that baby that I didn't even know I had anymore.
she also had down with her pots and pans. We ended up doing minor organization down there. We're down there, and these are actually going to be used in her pantry to store her dry goods in. So that might be another video. But at least these things are not cluttering up her 2 cabinets down here because they're not going to be used for
Food storage that goes in the fridge.
Yeah, for like leftovers.
Yeah.
So anyway, yeah, I think we did pretty good.
So
we made a pretty big dent.
yeah, we did, and in good time too, I think. Thank everybody for watching this video, and I'm so happy to have my sister here with me and helping me organize things. But you'll probably be seeing us do a few more of these. Let us know down in the comments below what you guys think, what you'd like to see next, what you need help with. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found the information useful, and subscribe and hit the little notification bell, and we will
Ding! Ring her bell.
Woo, that sounds fun. We'll be talking to you guys later. Bye.